Welcome to Babylonstoren. I'm Gundula. We're sharing some Christmas recipes with you. So we're making a lovely Malva pudding, and returning to tradition, we are using this lovely Malva leaves. So I'm going to take you to Schalk, our chef, and he's going to show us how. Hello, Schalk. Oh, you must smell these rose pelargonium leaves. I know we call them Malva in Afrikaans, and I hear you making Malva pudding with a twist.
Yes, we're turning the traditional Malva pudding into a Christmas cake by adding the actual Malva leaves into the cake batter, and we're serving it with some seasonal ice cream, fresh berries, to just counter the hot weather in December.